Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Ron again from wapinas.com. And for those that have been seeing the TWS Bluetooth earbuds on Shopee, this is what I'm talking about. I bought it for 289 pesos only. I've been seeing a couple of different models for this one on Shopee. And this one is specifically the BTH F9-5, which is 289 pesos lang. Oh. See, there's a discount right now. So yeah, okay, so we'll do quick unboxing. Open it up. Nothing inside. The earbuds are not there. Might be inside. Let's see. So that's the container itself, right? Okay, so there's a USB here and a micro USB port. I assume you can use the case of the headset, the earbuds, as an emergency power bank, right? So when you open it up, you can see there's the two earbuds, and there's a power indicator for the headsets, right? So I assume it's 76% for the internal power, and these two gauges say the battery of the earbuds itself. So as you can see, once you remove it, blue light turns on. So we're gonna try to search for it if we can pair with it. So okay, as you can see, it says there F9. I'm gonna try pair. Okay, so it's paired now. Not sure. It says 90% for the battery. Okay, so we're gonna test it out. Turn on flashlight. Okay, so I can hear it on both sides, and it comes with its own cable charger and then replacement earbuds, right? So we're gonna see if it's gonna be able to charge a cell phone using the battery case, right? So we're plugging in USB cord and plugging it to the Xiaomi phone that we have, and it's charging. So it's showing there the battery meter. As you can see, it doesn't say it's charging. Let's see if we okay. So if you take off one of the headsets and put it back, the other one still works. I can still hear it on the left ear. Let's see if it auto connects again. And yes, when you remove it, and put it back in your ear, it auto connects again to your audio. So as you can see, I put down the right ear and the left ear still playing. I put it back and it auto connects, which is good. Oh, what happened? What is up? And when you press the middle, of this one, see? Not this one. When you press this one, it brings out, it stops, right? So see? Well, so that's a quick unboxing for this TWS BTH F9-5. If you're looking for a cheap Bluetooth headset that you can use, I guess you can. The sound is okay. The bass is not that good, but it's workable. You know, it's like a simple headset. Not sure about the voice quality when you call someone, but we'll see. We'll do another test for that one. in the future. Thanks guys, bye!